One local family is pleading with immigration authorities to release an Albertville teen who they say is detained illegally. The family of Elder Chavez now seeking legal help and financial support. Fox 54's Caleb Aguayo shows us how an entire community is advocating for his release.
18-year-old Elder Chavez was driving to the store while on break from Asbury High School over 6 months ago. His family says he was going about 5 miles over the speed limit when he saw flashes of red and blue in his rearview mirror. The police stopped him. My brother told them that he had juvenile status, that he had the permit in the car, but the police didn't want to see it. The police then called immigration authorities despite his legal documentation showing Chavez was granted special immigrant juvenile status. That's a classification that can lead to permanent residency, and this, a green card. But it isn't by itself a guarantee of permanency. And in the past year, what it does and doesn't do has been kicked around extensively in the courts. The government detained Elder in Albertville and moved him to a Louisiana detention center where he's been stuck ever since. He says that he wants to leave, and he calls me depressed, but I always tell him to put up with what he can, because, in fact, I have 2 lawyers for him. Elder's family and community leaders are working on more than just legal action. They've since set up a website and hosted a candlelight vigil to show their support.
Their hearts are all moved with compassion for Elder. He's such a great kid. The whole community of Albertville loves him, everybody that knows him, so we're just asking people to help.
They say he could soon miss out on his senior year of high school, where you would normally find him woodworking and welding. Nicknamed the Kid in detention because he's the youngest one there, he now passes the time making trinkets for his nieces and nephews.
He needs to be back with his family. He needs to be back with his friends, doing what high school kids get to do: go to school, go to dances, go to sporting events.
But it gets even more complicated. To prevent his eventual deportation, Elder has to attend a biometrics appointment in Birmingham on July 24th to receive deferred action. However, he can't make it while in federal detention. What we're waiting for is for him to leave so he can go give his fingerprint. What the lawyer is doing is changing the date so he can go and not miss the appointment. As of now, it's all up to Elder's legal team and what the court eventually decides. In Albertville, I'm Caleb Aguayo, Fox 54 News.
If you want to see what the community is doing for Elder's situation and follow alongside his case, learn more at freeelder.net.